Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am testing out some new eye products and a lip combo that I've been liking with a new addition to that as well. I am just asking if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and also click that notification bell and turn on all the post notifications so you know when I'm posting next. I am testing out the Tati Beauty. I did also use that Blendiful for my face, but I am also trying that out for my eyes with a couple of brushes. I did use for the first time finally the Love palette from Natasha Denona, and that is what the outside looks like. The Pat-McGrath, this is the packaging. It's the Opulust gloss in Opulust. And this is what the lip gloss looks like, and I'll just put a swatch on the back of my hand, and this would be really cool as a eyeshadow. So it goes from a pink to an orange, and this is very pretty. I definitely like it. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Stay tuned and give me some thumbs up and leave me comments in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next one. Let's go to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a couple different videos and I am working with the new Natasha Denona. This is the Love palette. This is the packaging or the unit carton that the package comes in, and I've actually had this since the launch. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I have been sick, but this is the first time using the Natasha Denona Love palette. This is the front of the packaging. This is the back of the packaging, where if you want to take out the shadows, you can poke them out and put them in a different palette. And then this is the mirror that is in the inside. And also this is the palette itself. She is beautiful. My skin is super fresh, and that is because I am testing out the Tati Beauty the Blendiful, and I did use, as you can see, the blush, the highlight, the foundation and concealer, and then my setting powder. And spoiler alert, I love it so far. So let's go ahead. My eyes are actually already primed, and I did use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, and I'm in, I think it's like 40N. Let's go ahead into the shade first, and it is the Bone Color Skin Color, and this is a matte shade, and I'm just going to use a bigger brush to apply this all over the lid. And there is kickback in the palette, which is okay, no problem. Just gonna blend this out really quick. So the next eyeshadow shade I want to go into is, let's try Valentine first, which is this light pink. And I'm going to put this in the crease of my eye, and let's build from there. Definitely has a good pigment payoff. So I'm going to go ahead, tilt my head back, and let's go ahead and apply this and blend it up. I'm going to go ahead and switch brush. I'm just going to use a Smith 232 brush and pick up some more of that shade and blend this all over windshield, and let's do some light circles. I'm going to try keeping this look as fresh and clean as possible. And let's hopefully I can actually do that this time. So I've been trying to play with as many shades as possible in palettes. Just blending this out really nice. Just gonna grab a smaller one and use that same shadow. Just gonna use a Sigma E25, and we're gonna blend this on the lower lash line as well. And this palette is performing really, really nice. as all of her other palettes, so I have no complaints at all. I'm just connecting the upper and the lower together. I like this. This is really cool. Let's go ahead and jump into the shade Intense, which is right next to Valentine. Just a little bit of a darker pink. I'm gonna go into another brush and wow, really pretty. Same steps into the crease just to build everything up. I'm gonna try keeping this just a little bit lower in the crease though. And just working it in really nice, and I am not seeing any patchiness. And then I'm gonna go in with that Smith brush and blend everything out really quickly. Make sure that everything is blended together. I really wanna try some of this Heart shade, which is the darker red. I'm thinking that I wanna put this in the outer corner. So I'm just gonna grab another Sigma, and this is an F63 brush. And I'm going to put some of this on the top of the brush, and she's got some pigment. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna put some of this as well on the outer lower lash line, and I'm just gonna connect the upper and the lower. And I'm just picking up a little bit of pigment each time, just so that it is not over intense, and blending it out really well. And then we'll go back into some of the mixture of Intense and Valentine, and let's blend this out. I like this. It's really cool. So what I'm gonna do is go into a little bit more of Intense on the smaller Sigma, and this is an E25. I'm just gonna put some of this on the lower lash line. I am really happy with the colors itself, and I'm thinking that I want to just put a couple of the glitter shades on my lid. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's try the Giving shade. It looks like it has like a pink and an orange shift to it, and I think this would look really neat with this look. And I'm going to actually use the Blendiful, and I'm going to take the opposite side and flip the little guy over and pick up some of this shade with the tip of it, and it definitely does pick up a lot of the color. And let's apply it to the lid, and I'm going past my crease too, just to make sure that when I open my eye and close my eye that there is going to be, you can see it still. Now that we have that shade on, I'm going to use, so the next two are Lifeline and Transparent, and I'm feeling like I want to go in with this one first. So again, I'm going to go back in with the Blendiful, and I'm just going to go into another area, pick up some of that, and it picks up a pretty amount of good color. And I'm going to apply this in the inner more. And it's not like too crazy of application, but you can definitely see that I did apply it, and I like it. Looks really good. Just keeping everything clean and fresh and not over application. Let's go into the opposite eye. I definitely think, Tati, you did an amazing job actually coming out with something like this. A good tool, a universal tool, and a tool that you could use for multiple different things. I could wash this and take it traveling with me and I don't need a bunch of different stuff to go traveling with. So I really, really like this a lot. Thinking for the inner corner, I'm going to use the shade Transparent, which is the lightest one. And I'm going to again use the Blendiful to apply that. So I'm just gonna pick up another little clean area. Let's go ahead and apply that. And yep, really, really good. And I like that it's not like scratching my eyes or anything like that. And the color is super pretty and it is blending really, really nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a smaller brush. I'm just gonna use a MAC 242 and I'm gonna put some of the transparent shade on my brow bone. And I'm not using anything wet. Everything is all dry and the colors are really, really nice. Just putting a little bit on the brush onto the inner corner. All right, so I used 6 brushes and a Blendiful to apply my eye makeup today, and I like it. Very fun, very fresh, very cool looking. Just gonna put a little bit of the Marc Jacobs Pink of Me, the liner on my waterline, just so I have a little bit of color here. Let's go ahead and apply this. You can see the difference between if you put some of that liner on and then if you don't. You can definitely see that it is a little bit more wide open. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I will be right back and we will finish with the lips, and I'm going to do a dedicated video for some mascara. So I will be back in just a minute. Okay, so I had to go and grab some lipstick, and I also picked up a new product as well. One of the last trips that I was out to Sephora. So I'm gonna go ahead. I have a lip combo that I have been liking a lot lately, which is the Laura Mercier, and this is Raspberry Ripple. And this is a really pretty color. It's like a creamy, nice and creamy color, and it is very soft. But first I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Kim KW. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my lips first. I'm going to put some of MAC's lip liner in Oak on my lips first, just to line them, and then we'll go ahead in with the rest of the lipstick. All right, now let's go in with the Kim KW lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a very nude lipstick. It smells so good though. And then I just like to go ahead and reinforce the lip line a little bit. And then going in with the Raspberry Ripple from Laura Mercier. This is a really, really pretty color too. I love this color. And you see that it just leaves the lips looking very juicy and very nice. Okay, love it, great, looks so nice. But what I'm gonna actually be putting on top of that, just to make it a little bit nicer and more juicier, I wanna try out the new Pat-McGrath-Labs, and this is Opulust Gloss. And this is the packaging, and she is shiny. Very pretty. I can't wait to try this out. And I picked up the gloss in Correlation, and this is what the gloss looks like. She is so neat. I don't even know if the camera can even actually show how pretty this looks. This is what the wand looks like. Smells like vanilla. So let's go ahead and apply this. Not sticky, doesn't leave like a weird residue or anything like that. I am loving how my look turned out. What do you guys think? Definitely like the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna have to play with some more of the shades. I want to do more of like a purpley look next time. Purples are like everywhere. So I wanted to play with some more of the pinks before I dived into it. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick, fresh look without the mascara, because I'm going to be doing that in a different video. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure that you, if subscribe to my channel, please make sure that you click that notification bell and put for all notifications, because I have been picking up a lot of new makeup and been testing out a lot of new things. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.